So, next song. Ito naman ay, ano tayo ulit? What a Beautiful Name. Yan, What a Beautiful Name. So, hindi ka muna dyan sa verse. Hayaan mo lang na sa gitara, piano, pads.
One with God, the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you, our Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. You sing.
One, two, three, go.
You didn't want heaven
D.
without us.
Sa isa lang. G,
So Jesus, you
B minor,
heaven
A,
down.
then B minor. 1, 2, passing, C sharp,
Was greater.
G,
Would step
B minor, A.
now. What a wonderful name.
Okay, pagdating ng verse, ulitin ko lang ulit ng verse kasi meron siyang passing chord which is yung C sharp. Okay? So, una 3 D 2 3 tapos G B A then B minor 2 3 C sharp D. So which is yun yung passing chord? B minor C sharp D. Okay, yun yung passing chord yung C sharp. So pag binilang natin 1 2 3 4, count 4 lang siya. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay? Ulitin ko. Verse ulit, verse ulit, verse.
You didn't want
D ulit.
heaven without us.
Tapos G.
Jesus, you
B. A.
heaven down.
Or ito. It's B. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 G. B minor. A.
What a wonderful name.
Okay, ganun siya. So, pero ang ginawa niya dun sa chords ng B minor, papuntang C sharp, papuntang D, ano lang siya, tawag dito, nakasustain lang. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganun. So, ulitin ko ulit.
You didn't want heaven without us.
Baka malito ka, nalilate ako So, ulitin ko ulit. Yan, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, D.
You didn't want heaven without us.
So, isa lang. 3, 4.
Jesus,
G, B, A. Tapos B, minor, C sharp, G, B minor, A. Then chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. B minor, A, G, and F sharp, A, B minor, A, G. Balik sa B minor. Wonderful name it is. The G. Ay, A. Babad. G. So, wala ka muna dun sa instrumento. So, pag kinat mo yung bass, hindi pwedeng gaganyanin mo, ha? Hayaan mo na siya mag-fade yung tunog. Yan. Pagka naramdaman mo halos wala na, hindi na masyado marinig, tsaka mo takpan. Then, bridge. Mag-bridge na yan.
How good you are. We love to sing your name, Lord. Love to sing of who you are.
Yan na, bridge. 2, sa isa lang. 2, 3, 4. B minor. F sharp. Then, diyan ka pumasok. Bam, bam, bam. Another bridge. So, dan, 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 dan. Yours is the kingdom. Yours is the glory. Hey, chorus, double double, boom boom, boom boom, hey, boom boom, boom B minor, A, G, double double lang, F sharp, A, B, A, and bridge. Tuloy-tuloy. Dan, 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 A. F sharp. G. Yours is the glory. Yours is the chorus. Last chorus. Dum dum double double. B minor. A. G. F sharp. A. B minor. A. G. Tag na to, tag. B minor. A. G. B minor, A, then G. Okay. So, yun lang naman siya. Madali lang yan, ano. Masyado na laruin yung ano. Mas maganda plain ka lang dyan para solid lang yung ano, tunog mo. Okay.